back. It's Michelle Amaray and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a bit of a fun one. I'll be doing my makeup and putting on and trying out a new platinum blonde unit and giving you guys the details on that. So if you'd like to see how I go from this to this, stay tuned, it's coming right up. Alright, not even gonna lie, this is probably gonna be my last time doing a voiceover because this is just so awkward. It just so awkward. But anyway, here's my 613 wig. I got this from RMEI, a company on AliExpress. So here I'm going through with my Got To Be Clear gel. I like using this as like the first layer of like laying in my wig because it's just thicker in consistency. And like I'm a Houston hottie and it's literally hot here. I think it's like above 100 degrees right now. So it's hot. And you know, we still need to look cute and still need to slay and still need to do the damn thing in this heat. So this really helps to keep my wig secured and not have to worry about it sweating off and sliding and shifting and all that jazz. So I really do love using this method. And so I lay this down and then I go through with my free spray on top of it to give it even more security. Honestly, I don't really have edges and then it's worse because I'm part of big girl, or what's it called, big forehead gang. So this really helps to give me the illusion of having a smaller forehead. So I love it. So I just use this step to place my wig where I want it to lay on my hairline, and I usually do move it up a few inches, so you know, yeah. And here's when I kind of started feeling myself a little bit. I was like, you know what? This could work out. This could work out. All right, so here I'm laying down my flyaways. So I'm super lazy, like, and I'm a super new beginner with like wigs and all that kind of stuff. So honestly, yeah. So I don't use like a hair wax. I've seen people use that, but I haven't had my hands on it. Hairspray has been working just fine for me so far. I just use it to put the layaways, get them under control so that I can lay my edges and do what I gotta do. So I'm going over again with another layer of the free spray, you know, security. We are not having our wigs slip and slide in this Texas heat or wherever you're from. Yeah, breakouts suck. Anywho, I go through with a blow dryer to go ahead and lay everything in place, make sure the glue's all dried up and stuff. Now here, you have to be careful with how much you put. Like, yes, we want our wigs to be secured and slayed, but it's like you got to be careful with how much you put in, because look, I could not, yeah, because it, like, I put so much where it just started like, you know, gelling up and like crystallizing and stuff like that, and that's just not cute. All right, so now that this wig is attached to my head, gonna go ahead and get my scissors and cut this lace off. So I know you're supposed to cut your hair in like a zigzag version, and clearly I did not do that. But that was just because I usually find that when I go through with my edges and I lay everything down, it still looks fine. And I always wear baby hairs, so I don't really have to worry about that too much. And so now I'm going through with a towel or a ghetto pair of shorts to go ahead and just wipe off all the excess gel on my forehead. And now I'm starting to create my baby hairs. Baby, when I tell you I was super lazy, I didn't even cut the baby hairs. So I honestly just slicked it down. Honestly, partly because I'm still gonna go through and dye this hair again, and I want to do at least like the least amount of damage as much as possible so I can go back and fully customize it the way I want it to be. But here I'm just going through with my clear Got To Be gel again, and I like using this as the preliminary thing to lay my edges because it's just thicker. It helps it last a lot longer, especially if I want to wear my wig for a few more days. So I just really love this stuff. I really, really do. And I don't do anything too extra with laying my edges, just a little swoop here and there, and I just keep it moving. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a lot. Like, I'm just like mentally trying to get used to this. I know once I do my makeup, I'll feel a bit more human, but this is a lot. So this is just the lace glued down, and this is with my edges done and everything. So yeah, that's the completed look. Before I go through and start putting curls and stuff in my hair, I actually do like it. It came out really well, and I haven't bleached the knots yet, so it honestly worked with the 613 just because it's so light. So I don't know where I ended with like recording because just being honest, I was going through a little situation. A little boy was breaking my heart, and I was definitely crying while doing my makeup. So I definitely was not trying to put that on camera. I think you can actually see the tear marks. Yeah. So anyway, we move. This is the completed look. I do plan on going ahead and dyeing this hair. I think I want to dye it like a ash blonde, something that's more put on and go and not have to beat my face to make it work. But I really do love this hair. I'll leave all the hair details down below. I actually thought this wig was a bit too thin when I first bought the lace front, so I bought another 22-inch 613 bundle, and I just sewed it in. And literally all I did to this hair was wash it with shimmer shampoo, the purple shampoo situation, just to tone it down a little bit and make it wearable. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I really did try with these edges, bro. I really did. I did. So I really do hope you guys like this look. I love it. I really, really do love it. It had me feeling myself and asking myself why I'm crying over anybody. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.